Another 7-6 on your card? How will you ever go to college like that? Sophia Inis Vicaros, are you gonna discard this, all of this? Do better! Go to your room!
What will you two do if you're in college na? Magtunga? Mag-give up na lang? Hay nako, simpleng English, hindi niyo alam? What words do you even know in English ba?
I, my, me, my. Yo, yours.
Him.
We, our, us, our.
Gosh!
Hi Trixie, is your sister there?
Oh, she's not here. Is there something wrong?
It's already afternoon. I have something to tell her.
Sige, sige, ano?
See?
Oh, you like my sister, not me?
Huh? I'm sorry, I didn't know. I was just using you so that I can get close to her. I didn't mean to give you mixed signals.
Shortcutin ko na lang.
Sige, ano na lang? Yeah. Paigliin mo na lang kung anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanya. Basta
1, 2, 3.
Paano ba kasi? Huwag ka kasi magmura! Sabihin na lang, what the fuck? Hindi, abip naman, di ba? Oo. Hindi kahit anong mura na lang, kahit Tagalog. Abip mo naman. Ano to? Yes, nakakagila! Nice, mahina ka pa. Mas mababa yung grade ko sa'yo. Totoo ako! Sophia Inis Vicaros, are you gonna discard this, all of this? Do better! Go to your room! Yes. Okay na yan!
What will to do? Ano?
Sige. 1, 2, 3.
What will you do if you're in college na? Magtunga nga? Mag-give up na lang? What words do you even know in English na ba?
I, my, me, my. Yo, yours.